going to IKEA. Yeah, it's right next to the airport.
Cherry cake? You can get chips. Okay, what are you going to have? I'm going to have meatball.
Lunch, and now we're walking around the showrooms, obviously, and it's awesome seeing what you can do with this space. I don't know what this hand's doing. Brought like so much stuff for the house. If you didn't know, I moved in with Rachel. Just gonna go get the car. We're gonna load it up, and it's been a full day at IKEA. The meatballs and all the stuff that we just spent. 2 hours later. Ooh. After spending hours putting the furniture together, which I love to do, I decided to call it a night. The next morning I had to go to work, and when I got home, I cleaned my car. Also, I don't know if I have shown you guys, but this is Maya. Introducing Maya. It's my little Westie. Let's kiss. She loves cuddles and kisses, obviously. So yeah, we'll be heading to Rachel's. Just drove all that way from my place to Rachel's house now. I'll be moving in with Rachel towards the end of this month, so that's getting serious. It's good, I guess. So I brought down some of my stuff. I just phoned Rachel then to come down and help me, and we'll just be having a quiet night in, I guess. I want to go to the Capri, which is a movie theatre not too far away from here. It's very old school. It's run by volunteers. I'm not sure what's on. I hope Lion King's on, so we can go watch that either tomorrow or on Tuesday. So I'm not sure if I'll film anything more tonight, because I'll probably just have some dinner and watch a few movies and set up all the things that I brought down. And yeah, here comes Rachel, so I'll talk to you guys later. Rachel and I just went to the local chippery again. This is the one we went to in one of the vlogs, I think the Fringe vlog. So we're just on Goodwood Road, not too far away. We'll be coming down here for the movie later on as well, on Tuesday night for Lion King. So we're just getting some chips and stuff. And we're heading to IGA, a loaf of bread, because we're gonna make some chip buddies again. And we're just going to chip buddies. We're just going to the Chinese restaurant down here, just to make sure that it's all booked for my birthday this weekend. Woo! The next day. So I just had a shower. It's like
flavor, but it's really sweet with the popsicle, and I really like the
walked into me.
I know, but it got really loud. Alright. So I just had a shower. As you can see, Rachel and I are going to head to the Capri very soon, as we said before. Choc-tops, popcorn, and everything else. We got a free entry, so we kind of feel pretty bad because it's volunteers. So we're going to buy extra food, which we probably don't need, but YOLO. So we're going to go see the Lion King, which is just down, not too far from our place. Because I moved in almost officially when I start paying rent. But yeah. Alright guys, cool. I can't see what's coming. Same street, different night. So our reservation at the Chinese place didn't go through. So we're gonna go to another place, just a cafe around the corner for my birthday on Saturday. You're all invited, turn up. It's probably posted a bit late anyway, so I'm sorry. We're on Goodwood Road right now. The Goody's down there, the pub. Just up here is the Capri. So we got our goodies and we got 2 popcorns as well. And the organ's playing. So we got our popcorn over there, a choc-top, and other drinks and goodies. Organ's playing. We're gonna see the movie. See you guys. This is what the Capri used to look like back in the 1940s when it was built. It hasn't changed much. Finished watching The Lion King. It was the same as the cartoon pretty much. It wasn't as epic as I was expecting, but it was good. It looked real. It didn't tug on the heartstrings as much as I expected, but just first world problems. I did eat all my popcorn before the movie started. I don't know if you guys do that. Comment below if you do. Yeah, it was good. Good night out. Good date night. And we got work in the morning.
Hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and comment below with your thoughts.